Hello guys. My name is Crazy Cat Lady. I will be telling you story about some two lovers. Samir and Natasha. Samir and Natasha are wonderful two lovers. They both love each other. One day, Samir took Natasha to Dada's diner. They were having lunch when Samir tries to kiss Natasha. Natasha stops Samir from kissing her. Samir thought she was just joking. So, he teases her. Unfortunately, Natasha got angry. Suddenly, Natasha slaps Samir. Samir also got angry. He said to Natasha, "We have been lovers for more than 14 months, and I am yet to kiss you, let alone have sex with you." Natasha replied him in anger. "Oh, so you were loving me for my body? Of course. Why else would a guy love a girl?" said Samir. Natasha slaps Samir again, and told him that she hates him.